That is such a strength of Arthur Rogers and this team. They scored from a corner against Tormenta earlier this year. Into the final 10 minutes of the 90. Rogers delivers. And flicked along and flicked in, and it's 3-2. 10 minutes to go. Northern Colorado have 2 goals back with 10 men, and they're within 1.
Rogers sends it into the 18. It's loose. It's good. A goal for Northern Colorado, or is it? Yes, it is. It's Cornwall breaking the seal. 1-0 Hailstorm.
And he is one of the most impressive crossers in all of USL League One. An opportunity, and there's Northern Colorado. All they do is score goals. Billy King able to outrun the Lexington back line. He was all by himself, completely unmarked.
8 assists on the year. The whistle from the referee. Rogers whips it in. On goal, and it's in. The equalizer comes. Trevor Ahmed, he's back in the goal-scoring charts. 17 on the year.
Substitutions brought to you by Shift 4. Corner kick is in. Rogers just did that. Rogers punches long over the top for Ammon. Ammon settles. Ammon chips it goalward. It's in. Trevor Ammon, another match, another goal. Arthur Rogers now tied for the league lead in assists and the league leader in chances created. Rogers, looping feed. What a ball! It's in. Arthur Rogers. It's 2-0 Northern Colorado. We saw a free kick goal in the first half delivered by Arthur Rogers. Nearly a second free kick goal on a direct strike by Jackson Dietrich. It is Rogers, curls it inside. It's Rendon, the second time today that duo has hooked up for a set piece score.
So Rogers will take another Meadow Gold corner kick. Right into the heart of the area, and it's headed home. There's the equalizer. And it's Lucky Oprah with his first goal this season for the Hailstorm.
To Herb Shop, Organic Foods corner kick in the 93rd minute. Rogers whipped it into the box, headed on goal, and it's there. For the second time today, Northern Colorado climbs back into it. They tie it up 2-2 in the 93rd minute.
A ball from Danny Robles to Trevor Ammon. 2 returnees this season. Rogers, another one of those guys, sends it in. The header on goal's off the post and in! And the Hailstorm up to a 2-0 lead.